Guys, once again I welcome you to this channel. In the previous video I promised you that I'll be showing you a number of websites where you can do micro jobs and get paid good money, and we are starting with Microworkers. And in the next couple of videos I'll be showing you up to 5 different websites that you can do jobs, micro jobs, and get paid. So whether you're a student, you are someone who is broke, once you have access to the internet, you can definitely make some money. No matter where you are under the sun, you can make some money. So this is Microworkers, and so if you look here, we have jobs, tax, everything. You can deposit money, you can withdraw, and this is a legitimate website. It's paying. And actually, for me, I have not made any withdrawal here, but a lot of people have made withdrawals. I have made a lot of deposits. I only do my campaigns, but I have done a few of the jobs here to test to see how it is, and I've actually been paid. But then I use my commission, whatever I have been paid, to do some other campaigns here. So I do a number of campaigns periodically here, and it's a very good website. Let me caution you, please do not try to use VPN here. You are shown jobs based on your location. So whatever I'm seeing here is international, and also based on my location. So you see this, let me show you. See, this is my campaign. This is my campaign, so it is even shown my campaign. So that is a campaign I have put up, and then I think I'm paying good money to there. So that is it. I'm paying 9 cents, and it's just you submit your name. Just sign up to a website, name, email, confirm. That's all, and then you are paid 9 cents. So that is good. So this is the website, and you can make good money. So I'll be taking you through a few other things here. So let's get going now. If you are here, you will want to look at first of all, you want to check the most paying jobs that are available. So you just click there, and then once you click there, you are taken here. So you see we have these jobs here that are paying as much as $1, and then it takes a very short period to complete, and you have $1 in your account. Add Sapien, sign up. That's somebody's tax. So a lot of people also get referrals from this website. You come here, you just do your referral stuff, and then you are paid, you are good to go. So that is it. So you choose the tax. Let's just select one list and see how it goes. So when you pick this, so you see the person is saying what? Go to this website now, submit submit and test with email, with name and email, register with real information. So you see, this is probably a new website that they want to test the login page to see how it's working, and that is that. So a lot of test is actually done here. A lot of the softwares and websites we are using are being tested, including mobile applications are being tested probably by you and I who use websites like this. So that is. So this job is international. Anybody, anywhere can do it. Now some of them will usually exclude some countries. So when you look here, you see you can accept this job if you are from any of these countries. So we have international, all countries are accepted, so you can carry on. Some of the tax based on who is doing it. I mean, you may not want certain people from certain countries to participate in your job for your own reasons, so you may exclude some countries. So that is why you should not use VPN. And this website in particular, if you use a VPN, they will catch you. They are old in the business, so they know all the tricks, so that is that. So Microworkers is a very legitimate website. So if you are interested in the job, you see here, you just click this, it opens a page, then you submit your proof. So your real name used to sign up so that they can verify your email, and then URL of the page you completed. So that is just how the employer will be able to verify the job you have completed. So here, in fact, let me say that, so we have employers and we have workers. So the employer is the one who have submitted the tax, and usually the tax, any tax being submitted here has been verified by the owners or workers of Microworkers themselves. They will verify it, and sometimes your tax will be rejected. But if they think that they don't want users of their website to do such a tax, they will reject it. So or they may tell you to improve certain parts of it, or even improve the payout before they will accept your tax. So it's a site that is actually taking care of its users, takes care of its users, and then that is good. So when you go to my campaigns, you can check, and then let's say basic campaign. Then this is actually where you can create your own campaign for other people, to do. And you see, they will give you a lot of guidance and all that, what you can do. And then the campaign will be approved, and you can carry on with whatever. So you will want to know whether you can actually withdraw your earnings from this website, your pay. Yes, so you can withdraw your pay, and these are the withdrawal details. So you can place withdrawal request if your balance is up to $9 plus processing fee. So I mean, let's say $10. Let's just say $10. Once you have $10, you can place your request. And they have various payment methods. We have local transfer, Skrill is also there, and they also pay through PayPal and peon. So these are various payment methods that they do, and they each have their charges. And I think PayPal has the highest charge of 7.5%. So you just provide whatever information they need, and then you can place your request. I think it takes about 7 days or so or less, and then your money will appear in your account, whatever account you provide them with. So that is it. You can go ahead and sign up to this website. If you want to deposit to, to deposit to, do you have options? Actually, I've made a lot of deposits here through PayPal. Now this is the minimum you can deposit is $10. So you can deposit your $10 here. I think the maximum is $500 that you can deposit, and there are various methods by which you can deposit. So if you are using credit or debit card, then you can just do that here, and then you can create your campaign and you are good to go. So one might ask, how much can one make from this website? That actually depends on you. I mean, it depends on you. I mean, people are making good money from this website. I have checked some other people, and I was surprised to see somebody made as much as $570 something. I don't actually remember, but people are making good money. People are making good money. Trust me, people are making good money. So you can sign up, particularly if you are somebody from let's say the United States, Canada, UK, and those areas. You know, there are some of the jobs that are high paying, so you can have a job that is about, I mean, 50 cents, $1, and all that. So $2, so you can just do one tax and you are paid $2. So that is it. I'll leave the link below. If you want to sign up, I encourage you to go ahead and sign up. So that is it, guys. Thank you very much. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like the video, and leave your comment behind. Also, make sure you hit the notification bell there. Thank you very much. Catch you